Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Your company has a Microsoft 365 ES subscription. The Chief Compliance Officer plans to enhance privacy management in the working environment. You need to recommend a solution to enhance the privacy management. The solution must meet the following requirements. Identify unused personal data and empower users to make smart data handling decisions. Provide users with notifications and guidance when a user sends personal data in Microsoft Teams. Provide users with recommendations to mitigate privacy risks. What should you include in the recommendation? Option A. Communication compliance in insider risk management. Option B. Microsoft Viver Insights. Option C. Privacy risk management in Microsoft Priva. Option D. Advanced e-discovery. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Privacy risk management in Microsoft Priva. Question 2. You have an Azure subscription that has Microsoft Defender for Cloud enabled. Suspicious authentication activity alerts have been appearing in the workload protections dashboard. You need to recommend a solution to evaluate and remediate the alerts by using workflow automation. The solution must minimize development effort. What should you include in the recommendation? Option A. Azure Monitor webhooks. Option B. Azure Event Hubs. Option C. Azure Functions Apps. Option D. Azure Logics Apps. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Azure Logics Apps. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.